everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal, well, it's the start of a meal. It's the base of a meal. It is slow cooker jacket potatoes. So these are baked potatoes in the slow cooker, and then you can put on them whatever you want as the rest of your meals. So, anywho, this is just yet another way to make a baked potato and not have to babysit it in the oven. So, slow cooker, real easy. It worked great. They were done when it said they were supposed to be done. It was easy. So, let's show you how to do it. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog, out.
Hey everyone, happy Monday. We are making baked potatoes in the slow cooker today. These are called jacket baked potatoes in the slow cooker, and I'll put a link to the original recipe in the description box below of this video. But basically you take your potatoes, I washed mine first, and then you prick them with a fork, and then you rub them with whatever oil you want, but I used olive oil and salt. I'm using Redmond's real salt. And then you wrap them in foil and stick them in your slow cooker. And you can cook them for 5 hours on high, which is what I'm gonna do. It's already lunchtime, and I want them ready by dinner. Or you can do 8 hours on low. So just put them in your slow cooker for either 8 hours on low, 5 hours on high, whatever the case may be, whenever you need them done. And they should be done. I'll show you when the time's up. Okay, so it's actually only been 4 hours on high for these, and I turned them, because if it's more than 4 potatoes in there, then you want to turn them, she said. So I turned them, but they just smell done, and so I took one out and unwrapped it, and look at that. You could stick your fork all the way in it, so it's done. But mine only took 4 hours on high. But it probably depends on your slow cooker, because I think this one cooks a little hot. So anyway, that's it. That's all it takes. Enjoy.